Hello everyone, heartiest welcome to online classes of Saraswati Education Group Bhadra June. This is our class 6 subject maths and exercise number 3.3. Up till we have studied up to exercise number 3.2. अभी तक हमने exercise number 3.2 तक पढ़ा हुआ है. अब मैं स्टार्ट करने जा रहा हूँ आपकी exercise number 3.3. तो देखो भाई, using divisibility tests determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Got it? Say yes or no. We have to only say whether this number is divisible by these numbers or some of them, or one or two of them, and not divisible by some of them, one of them, or all of them. Okay, so let us start with 2. देखो भाई, इसके लिए डिविजिबिलिटी रूल्स पता होने चाहिए. तो डिविजिबिलिटी रूल्स मैं यहाँ पे लिखे दे रहा हूँ. डिविजिबिलिटी रूल्स हैं आपके पहले 2 का डिविजिबिलिटी रूल आता है. यूनिट प्लेस डिजिट should be 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. If a number having 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 as its unit place digit, then the number will definitely be divisible by 2. Okay, let us move towards the divisibility rule of number 3, which is if final sum or one digit sum, I'll make you understand what is the meaning of one digit sum later on when I will go for trying these numbers. Okay, so if final sum or one digit sum of all digits of a number is 3, 6 or 9, then the number is divisible by 3. And if now we will first we will check all the numbers, whether all the numbers are divisible by 2 and 3 or not. Okay, so let us start with our first number, that is 128, and here we are seeing unit place digit 8, and in our rule we are having if 8 is unit place digit of any number, then the number must be divisible by 2, hence this number is divisible by 2. So our response is yes. Okay, let us go for 3. For 3 we will add all the digits of this number, which is 1 plus 2 plus 8. 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11. 11, this is not, now 11 is not the final sum because 2 digits are there. So further we have to add these 2 digits, and 1 plus 1 is 2, which is not coming 3, 6 or 9. This is 2, not 3, 6 and 9. So we can say that this number is not divisible by 3. Okay, let us move towards our number next, which is 990. Here we are seeing our unit place digit. Our unit place digit is 0, hence this number is divisible by 2. So we will write a response as yes. Now for 3 we have to add these two, and 9 plus 9 is 18, and further we will add these two. 1 plus 8 is again 9, and here we are seeing 9 is showing that this number is satisfying the divisibility rule of 3, which is if the final sum of all digits of a number is 3, 6 or 9, then the number is divisible by 3. Hence this number is qualifying the criteria, hence we will our response for this number to be divisible by 3 is yes. Okay, let us move towards this question, which is 1586. So we will check whether this number is divisible by 2 or not. Then we have to first look at the unit place digit, which is 6, and here we are seeing that 6 is coming, number 6 is coming the criteria of or rule of 2 to be divisible of 2 for some number to be divisible by 2, and 6 is written over here, and we are seeing 6 is coming as unit place digit in this number, hence our response is yes for 2. And for 3 we have to add all the digits. 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 6 is 12, 12 plus 8 is 20, and we are getting 20 as 2 plus 0, our final sum is 2, which is not 3, 6 or 9. Hence our response for divisibility of this number by 3 is no, because this number will not be divisible by 3. Let us move towards 275. Here we are seeing our unit place digit is not 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Hence the number is not divisible by 2. Hence our response is no. And now let us move towards this one, 3. So we have to add all the digits. 2 plus 7 plus 5, 2 plus 7 plus 5, and now we are having sum of all digits is 2 plus 7 is 9, 9 plus 5 is 14, 14, 1 plus 5 is 1 plus 4 is 5. This sum is not equals to 3, 6, 9. Hence the number is not divisible by 3. So our response is no. Let us move to our 6, 6, 8, 6. Here we are seeing our unit place digit is 6, hence the number is divisible by 2. Yes, and let us move towards 3. So we have to add all the digits. 6 plus 6 is 12, 12 plus 6 is 18, 18 plus 8 is 18, plus 8 is what? 26, and 26, 2 plus 6 is 8. Sum is not 3, 6, 9. Hence we can easily say that this number will not be divisible by 3. So our response is no. Now let's move toward this next number, and we are seeing, and here we are seeing our unit place digit is 0, hence number is divisible by 2. So our response is yes. Now for 3 we will add all the digits. 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 9 is 18, 18 plus 2 is 20, 20 plus 1 is 21, 21, 2 plus 1 is 3. Hence our number is divisible by 3. So our response is yes. Next, unit place digit of this number is 4. Hence this number is divisible by 2. So our response is yes. Now for 3 we have to add all the digits. 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 9 is 15, 15 plus 7 is 22, 22 plus 1 is 23, 23 plus 4 is 27, and here we are seeing 27, 2 plus 7 is 9, hence the number is divisible by 3. So our response is yes. Okay, next one is 2856. So here we are seeing in 2856 we are getting 6 as unit place digit, hence the number is divisible by 2. So our response is yes. Let's add all the numbers for checking by 3. Whether this number is divisible by 3, for checking whether this number is divisible by 3 or not. 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15, 15 plus 6 is 15, plus 6 is 21, 21. In our 21 we are getting 2 plus 3 is 2 plus 1 is 3, hence the number is divisible by 3 also. So our response is yes. Let's move towards the next one. Here unit place digit is 0, hence the number is divisible by 2. Here sum of all digits, 3 plus 0 is 3, 3 plus 6 is 9, hence the number is also divisible by 3. Now let us move towards the last one, which is showing us 9 as unit place digit, hence the number is not divisible by 2. So our response is no. And when we will add all these, then 4 plus 6 is 10, 10 plus 8 is 18, 18 plus 3 is 18 plus 3 is 21, 21 plus 9 is 21 plus 9 is 30, which is adding on 3, hence this number is divisible by 3, hence our response for 3 is yes. Okay, so our next digit is 4. I am going to write the divisibility rule for 4, which is divisibility rule for 4 is number made by unit place digit if the number made by unit place digit and tens place digit is divisible by 4, divisible by 4, then the original number will also be divisible by 4. Divisibility rule of 5 is if the unit place digit is 0 or 5, if the unit digit is 0 or 5, then the number is divisible by 5. So let us check for 4. Here we are seeing unit place digit is 4 and tens place digit is 2, and number made by these two digits is 28. So let us count the table of 4 and check whether 28 is divisible by 4 or not. If 24 will be divisible by 4, then we will say that our original number, which is 128, will also be divisible by 4. So let us count the table of 4 for 28. 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12, 4 4 is 16, 4 5 is 20, 4 6 is 24, 4 7 is 28. Here we are seeing 4 7 is 28, hence 28 is divisible by 4. Now we are able to say that if 28 is divisible by 4, then full number or original number 128 will also be divisible by 4, hence our response is yes. Now we will go for 5 for divisibility check of 5. Here we are saying our unit place digit is not 0 or 5, hence 128 is not divisible by 5, hence our response is no. Now let us move towards 990. Here we are seeing 0 is the digit, unit place digit, hence number will be divisible by 5. Now let us check for 4. Unit place digit is 0 and tens place digit is 9. Hence number made by unit place digit and tens place digit is 90. We will go for check whether 90 is divisible by 4 or not. Here we are seeing if we will divide 90 by 4, then here we are seeing 4 to the 8 and it will leave 1 and this will give us 10, and 10 is not divisible by 4. Hence 90 is not divisible by 4. If 90 is not divisible by 4, then the complete number 9 and 0 will also be not divisible by 4. Hence our response is no. Let us move towards 1586, which is here we are seeing that unit place digit is 6, hence number is not divisible by 5. Now we will check for divisibility of 4. So 86 is the number by which we will check whether the complete number will be divisible by 4 or not. So 86, when we will divide 86, then 8 will be divisible, 6 will not be divisible, hence 86 is not divisible by 4. So 1586 will not be divisible by 4. Okay. Let us move to our 275. Unit place digit is 5, then number is divisible by 5. Okay. Now 75 is not divisible by 4, hence the whole number is not divisible by 4. Next, here we are seeing our unit place digit is not 0 or 5, hence the number is not divisible by 5. Now here we are seeing number made by unit place digit and 10 place digit is 86. So let us check for 86 whether 86 is divisible by 4 or not. 8 is divisible by 6. 8 is divisible but 6 is not divisible, hence the whole number is not divisible. Hence the complete number or original number 6686 is not divisible. So our response is no. Now let us move towards this sum, and here we are seeing unit place digit is 0, hence number is divisible by 5. Hence our response is yes. So let us move divisibility check for 4. Here we are seeing our required number or our number to be observed is 10. So we will count table of 4 for divisibility check of 10. Here we are seeing 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12. Hence 10 is not divisible, so the whole number will not be divisible. Our response is no. Let us move towards next question. Unit place digit is not 0 or 5, so response for 5 is no. Now we will go for 4, and we are seeing 14 is not divisible by 4, then whole number will not be divisible by 4. So our response is no. Next is 2856. Unit place digit showing the number is not divisible by 5, and we will go for 4. Here we are seeing 4 1 is 4 and 4 4 is 64. 56 is divisible by 4, hence the whole number will be divisible by 4. So our response is yes. Now let us move to our 3060. Our response for 5 is yes, and a response for 4, because 60 is also divisible by 4, then the whole number is also divisible by 4. So our response is yes. Now let us move towards this number. Unit place digit is not 0 or 5, so our response is no. And 39 is not divisible by 4, so number will not be divisible by 4. Okay. Let us move towards the divisibility check of 6 and 8. First 6 and 8. After that we will go for any other check, any other divisibility rule. Here we are seeing divisibility or rule of 6 is, if a number is divisible by 2 as well as by 3, or in other words we will say if a number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then only the number is divisible by 6. Okay. Number should be divisible by, number must be divisible by 2 and 3 both. Divisibility of 8. The number made by unit, tens and 100 place digits if the number unit place digits is divisible by 8, then the whole number, then the complete number is divisible by 8. Okay, so let us move towards the divisibility check of 6 and 8. Here we are seeing number is not divisible by 3, and I already told you that if number is divisible by 6, then it must be divisible by 2 and 3 both. So here we are seeing number is not divisible by 3, hence number will not be divisible by 6 as well. If number is divisible by 2, 3, then we will check for 8. Now this type of number we will calculate the table or count the table, because only 3 digits are given and we have to check last 3 digits, means unit place digit, tens place digit and 100 place digit. So we will count the table of 8 for 128. So 8 1 is 8, we are here with 8, and we are seeing 8 6 is 48. So the number is divisible by 8. Okay, now 8 8 9 number is divisible by both, hence number is divisible by 6. Okay, let us move towards 6. Only 3 digits are given. 8 1 is 8, this is 19, 8 2 is 16, after that 3, and we are getting 30 is not divisible by 8, hence the number is not divisible by 8. So our response is no. Next one is this one. Here we are seeing number is not divisible by 3, hence will not be divisible by 6 also. 8, here we are seeing 5 6 8 58. 8 1 is 8, 8 2 is 16, 8 3 is 24, 8 4 is 32, 8 5 is 40, 8 6 is 48, 8 7 is 56, and this is 58. So number is not divisible by 8 as well. Now we will check 275 divisible by, whether divisible by 6 or not. So here we are seeing, if we will divide 6, if we will check, here we are seeing number is not divisible by 3 as well as by 2. So number is not divisible by 6. Okay, will definitely not divisible by 2, 6. Now number 8, here we are seeing number is not divisible by 2, then how we can say number will be divisible by 8? So will not be divisible by 8. Now here we are seeing number is not divisible by 3, then it will not be divisible by 6 as well. Now here we will check number is not divisible by 4, then it will not be divisible by 8 as well. So here we are seeing number is both divisible by both 2 and 3, so it will be divisible by 6 also. And for 8, here we are seeing number is not divisible by 4, then it will not be divisible by 8 as well. Here we are seeing number is divisible by both, so it will also be divisible by 6. Now go for 8, it is not divisible by 4, so it will not be divisible by 8 as well. Here we are seeing 2 8 5 6, number is divisible by both, then number is also divisible by 6. And here we are seeing number will here we are seeing number is divisible by both, then we will check for 8. So if we will check for 8, then 8 1 is 8 and 8 7 is, means 856 is divisible by 8, hence the whole number will also be divisible by 8. Okay, so let us move towards this one. Here we are seeing number is divisible by both 2 and 3, so it will also be divisible by 6. And for 8 we have to check out. Okay, here we are seeing 60, so we have to count the table of 40 for 60. 8 1 is 8, 8 2 is 60 is not coming in the table of 8, hence 360 is not divisible by 8. Okay, Now let us move towards the divisibility rule of these three at a time. So we will first check divisibility rule of 9. If the sum of all digits should be 9. If the sum of all digits is 9, then the number will be divisible by 9. Okay, and for 10, number should be divisible by 2 and 5. 2 and 5. Okay, for 11, digits coming on odd place, sum of digits coming on even places or odd places. First we can take even, odd, or anyone, because we have to calculate the difference. Odd places minus even places should be, this difference should be divisible by 11. If the difference is divisible by 11, then the whole number will be divisible by 11. So first we will check for 128. Here we are seeing the sum of digits will be 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11, not divisible by 11. Now we are seeing the number is not divisible by 2 and 5 both, so is not divisible by 10 as well. Here we are seeing 8 plus 1, first place is odd place, third place is also odd place, and numbers coming on these places is 1 and 8. 1 plus 8 is 9, 9 minus 7, 9 minus 2 is 7. 7 is not divisible by 11, hence the whole number will not be divisible by 11. Now 990. We are seeing sum is divisible by 9, hence the number is divisible by 9. So our response is yes. This number coming in the end, there is a 0, hence the number will be divisible by 10. Now go for 11. Here we are seeing 9 minus 9 means the difference is 0, hence the number is divisible by 11. So our response is yes. Okay. Now let us move towards 1568. Here we are seeing number is not divisible by 2 and 5 both, hence is not divisible by 10. Okay, add sum of digits is 1 plus 6 is 6, 6 plus 6 is 12, 12 plus 8 is 20, 20 sum is 2, hence not divisible by 9. Let us move towards 11. For 11, 1 plus 8 is 9, 5 plus 6 is 11, 9 minus 11 is 2, 2 is not a multiple of 11, hence the number is not divisible by 11. Let us move towards 275. We are seeing number is not divisible by 9 because sum is 14, and number is not divisible by 10 as well because number is not divisible by 2. Now go for 5 plus 7, 2 plus 5 is 7, 7 minus 7 is 0, 0, hence the number is divisible by 11. Okay, so now let us move towards last sum, which is check for whether the number is divisible by 9 or not. Here we are seeing sum 6 is 6, 12, 12 plus 6, 18, 18 plus 8 is 18 plus 8 is 26, number is not divisible by 9. Okay, so our response is no. Here we are seeing number is not divisible by 10 because it is not divisible by 5. Okay, 5. Let us check for 11. 11, 8 plus 6 and 6 plus 6 is 12, 8 plus 6 is 14, 14 minus 12 is 2, hence the number is not divisible by 11. Okay, let us move towards last one, which is showing that numbers 9, 9 and yes, the sum of all the digits is coming 3, hence the number is not divisible by 9. Okay, the last digit is or unit place digit 10, hence the number is divisible by 10. Now let us move for divisibility check of 11. 9 plus 6. Number coming on odd places is 9, 6 and 1. And addition of these is 16. 16 minus 5 is 11. 11 is divisible by 11. Hence the whole number is divisible by 11. So our response is yes. Okay. And last one is let us check this number. This number is divisible by 9 or not. So sum of digits 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11, 11 plus 7 is 18, 18 plus 9 is 27. Hence the number is divisible by 9. Our response is yes. Here we are seeing number is not divisible by 5, then it will not be divisible by 10. Sum of digits coming at odd places. 9 plus 4 is 13, 13 plus 1 is 14. 4 plus 9 is, this is 14, and 14 minus 2 plus 7 is 9, 9 plus 4 is 13. 14 minus 13 difference is 1, hence the number is not divisible by 11. So our response is no. Let us move towards next question, which is check for divisibility rule of 9. 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15, 15 plus 6 is 15 plus 6 is 21. 21 is not divisible by 9, hence the whole number is not divisible by 9. No, next 110. 10 number is not divisible by 5, hence the number is not divisible by 10. Okay. 11. 5 plus this is 7, and this is 14. 14 minus 7 is 7, not divisible by 11. So the number will not be divisible by 11. This is, here we are seeing number is divisible by 9 because sum is 9. Number is also divisible by 10, and number will not be divisible by 11. Let us move towards this question, last one of video. 9, for 9 we have to add, this is 10, this is 18, this is 18 plus 3 is 18 plus 3 is 21, 21 plus 9 not divisible by 9. No, response is no. For 10, here we are seeing node 0 is there, so not divisible by. Now we will check for 11. 10 plus 3 is 13, and this one 13, and the sum of 8 and 9 is 17. 17 minus 13 is 4, so not divisible by 11. Okay everyone, stay home, stay safe, and Jai Mata Di.